Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. I hope you're doing well, everyone. Now it's time for some live trading here on Twitch. Hope you're doing well. All right, so let's have a look. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. So what has happened? What has happened? We were on all-time highs until 5,600. And then we had a massive retest here and correction. We came down to 4,400, and now we have a relief rally where we are pushing a little bit up to this daily fair value gap, and we will probably either tap the 5,000 level, or the 5,100, or the 5,300 to 400 level before we have another retest and another correction. Maybe the 200 EMA will be tapped here at 3,900, or we're looking at something a little bit more crash, like 3,800, or possibly maybe 3,200. Okay, so for now we are looking for the buys up to the 5,000 level, and we are waiting for New York session here to either take out the low or the high. And as we can see here, for now we came down to 4,896, and then we tapped into the EMA here and we bounced up again. Now we're coming down for another retest. You can see here we have the London low right here at 3,885. And then you have the Asia low over here at 3,865. So if you can come down and take some of these levels out, I would be looking for buys up to the 5,000 levels. And then from there, we'll see what happens, right? But if price suddenly moves up and we check out the New York high, well, then I would look for continuation buys up. So you think we can see big moves today? I don't know if we're gonna see big moves today. I think this whole week we're just gonna we kind of like just gonna consolidate between the 5,000 level and the 4,400 level. So we were down at 4,600, then we came down to 4,400. We consolidated between those levels, and then we came up to 4,800, came back down to 4,600, and then this morning we went up to 4,900 again, right? How are you, man? Doing well. Hello, KK. Hello, Merdin. Hello, Johnny. Hello, Edge. Hello, M7. Hope you're doing well, guys. So yeah, I'm literally just waiting here to see, are we gonna tap some of these levels here, or are we just gonna go straight up to the New York high here? So the 5-minute is having 2 rejection wicks here right now. The 3-minute is looking a little bit bullish here. We can get a, let's say, a good order block here. We might be able to buy up here, but let's see. The stock market will open in 5 minutes, so I'm not gonna do anything before that happens. We need to see here what's gonna happen. Is the music too loud, guys, or is it okay for you? Hey, Obed. Hey, Abo. Hello, Tabu. What's your opinion in Bitcoin? We were close to my level. We haven't tapped it quite yet, but we're getting there. We're for sure getting there. We came down to 78,000, and I'm waiting for 74,000 to be taken out. We were actually down at 77. Once we take out 74, then we should get into my buy zone here. My buy zone is 62 to $50,000 Bitcoin. So I will be starting to get in for buys on Bitcoin once we come down and retest the previous all-time high, which was here from 73 to 48,000, where we have a weekly fair value gap right here. You can see here we had this missing weekly fair value gap. Let me just try to find it. Where is it? Right there. Here we have it. This is the weekly fair value gap lining up just below my zone here. I have a buy here at 58,000, and then I have another buy here 47 to 44,000, and then I will just accumulate a lot of buys here, layers of buys here, all the way up to all-time high again. I still have my position here at 15,000 and 30,000. I took profit of my 30,000 and 45,000, but I still have my 50,000 here, the 15,000, and I want to keep that until I see that 30,000 is going to be taken out. But I don't think 30,000 is going to be taken out. So I'm expecting something like this, coming a little bit up, maybe consolidating a little bit, maybe getting a little bit of like a relief rally. Hey, we can go up again and then drop down here to this level here. So yeah. Are we trading Bitcoin now? No, we're not. It was a question. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm answering questions. All right, I can't even say anything before people attack me. No, it's okay. Hey, Maxi. Hey, Halvorsen. Hello, Obits. The music is good. Nice. I'm happy. Happy. Orbits, I will start trading with a $600 capital. I'm currently learning, but I will probably start this week. Can you tell me what is the right lot for my capital and how I need to calculate the risk? Yes, so maybe we are a little bit more stable now. Maybe the balance is okay now with how gold is moving, but yesterday and Friday it was totally crazy. Price were moving like 1,000 to 1,500 pips, which means if $600 and you took like 0.02, your account will be gone, right? So I would do 0.01 for now, but next week, if the price has been more like stable, more balanced, you can do 0.02, right? But 0.01 for now, bro, and please make sure to take some profits and don't push it too hard. If you want to join for some of the trades where we take partial and stuff like that, you can do 0.02, but keep your stop loss very tight. You cannot take big stop losses like me. $600 is nothing. Also for the copy trading now, guys, I cannot do $1,000 anymore. It's too crazy. The $10 cents account is now $50, so I need a minimum of $50 for me to trade for people. So people, if they want me to trade for them, I need $50, and if it and if it's USD, I cannot do $1,000. It has to be $2,500. But this can be with bonus. Okay, this can be with bonus. So people, let's say, deposit like, let's say $1,500, then they can take a bonus of 100%, and that will give them $3,000, right? So, you know, it's not that is so much different, but it's just I just need more capital in order to survive these like big spikes and stuff like that, because I just layer, you know, I just buy gold when it's down, when I buy the dip, and then I try to sell into it, and I try to, you know, buy up to the sells, right? So I will have multiple trades, and sometimes I'll have a little bit too many trades. And then if people have like $500 or let's say $1,000, it's just too scary, right? It's too scary because, you know, it's 0.01 trade, and then market moves like, let's say 1,500 pips. Well, you know, pips, that would be $500 loss, right? So yeah, it's a little bit. So for copy trading, guys, you need a strong amount of capital, and if for USD, and if you don't have that kind of funds, well, join Sense account, right? Because it's only $50. Okay, with that out of the way, let's have a look. So 3 minute did create that order block that I was talking about, and now we have 1 minute until the stock market opens. Let's see what happens. You can get this 5-minute family gap. What happens? So the New York session has started, and we came down here at 15:15. That means 15 minutes into the New York session. We came down here, but we did not take out the London low, guys. We did not take out the London low, so it's still open. It's still open. We haven't moved anywhere. I need to see that this high be taken out, or I need to see this low be taken out. Otherwise, I cannot do anything. You think Goldie will tap 5,200 to 5,281 before going down again? I think 5,100 to 5,400 is possible, yes. I passed my 100k challenge. Hopefully in some profit today. Yay, Apu. Nice. Hey, Leon. How you doing, man? You always have those dots. Is that like, hi, I'm not doing so great? Or is it like, hi? Or how do I interpret this? For value gap, well, for value gap, let's just call it family gap. For the family gap, we can definitely find a lot of them in the chart, but how can we make sure which family gap is valid? Well, it depends on the session, and it depends on your long-term or short-term trading. If you're looking at the daily, well, you're looking at fair value gaps right here, and you're looking at fair value gaps, you know, down here, right? But if you're looking on the short term, you're not really looking for those fair value gaps. You're only looking for this fair value gap, you're looking for this fair value gap, and maybe you're looking for this fair value gap here as well. If you're on the even shorter term trade, then only this fair value gap you're looking for, right? You're not even looking for something above because you haven't taken out the high. So probably this one you would be looking for, and this one. So it depends on which trading style you're using. Are you a scalper? Are you a intraday trader? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader, long-term positioning trader, or are you a period trader, right? And are you looking at lower time frame? Are you looking at higher time frame? And are you taking small trades, or are you taking big trades, right? So it very much depends on what you're looking for. For me, I always wait for the New York session or the London session to be taken out, or the Asia session. And then if I see it's a sweep or a fake out, well, then I can buy, right? But if it's down here, or if it's up here, I can sell. But if it's not a sweep and it's just a little bit of a continuation, well, then I need a closure below it, and then I can sell, right? So right now I'm waiting for this level here. Once we check out this level, well, then we can be looking for the buys, if it's a sweep or it's a fake out, right? If it's not, then, you know, then we're gonna sell. I would like to say a lot of things. Looking forward to see you doing this week. What is this? Tell me, Leon. What do you want to say? Hey, Duke. Hope you're doing well. Do you mostly trade Xauusd? Yes, I do. I will not touch Bitcoin before we come down to my levels. Okay, guys, we're coming down here. Let's have a look at 4,900, okay? Once we come down to 4,892 or 4,885, or worst case, not worst case, but like better case, 65, we can be looking for the buys. If not, then we can be looking for sells. So let's have a look and see what happens. Did you guys take some trades today, or did you take some trades Monday or Friday? Like, price were really volatile and crazy, guys. Let's get some. Ow, I hit my finger. Sorry. Wait. I was trying to, you know, touch the stream deck, but then it fell on me, and then yeah. Okay, let's get some music for this, guys. It's Goldie time, okay? I know you missed this, guys. Come on, let's get some hype in the chat. Come on, guys. Come on.
Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow.
Yeah. Let's get some profits today, guys. Let's get some profits today, okay? Let's get some profits today. All right. Let's gold. Friday, I made 5K in 2 seconds and quit after. Oh shit. Damn. 5K on what? On the drop? On the drop? You did not expect that one? Yeah. It was crazy. Friday was crazy. The worst thing is that I was looking for sales as well, all right? I was like selling from 5,000 all the way up to 5,600. And then at 5,400, 5,500, I was like, oh shit, this just keeps going. And then I stopped selling. And then the day after, that's when we crashed. I got in a little bit later, but it is what it is. You cannot predict the market, guys. The market is reactive and not predictive, okay? Yes. Okay, guys, so still waiting here. We came closely down here. Let's see if we retest up here again. Okay. Can it drop all the way to Asia low before go up? Yes, it can also go further down. It depends on what we're looking at today, guys. Maybe we're just gonna consolidate today. Hey, SA, what's up, man? On the big drop on my MT5 froze, and the next second my account blew. Wow. Crazy, guys. Yeah, it was Friday and Monday was yeah, it was terrifying. It was terrifying. Okay, let's see here, guys. We're almost there. 92, 85, and then 64. Okay. If I don't get it, then I have a really nice bottom here, and we're respecting my EMA. Hey, Alan, thank you so much for the follow, and I see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. Let me just put this one a little bit lower here, guys, so you can. Boom. There we go. So while we're waiting, guys, let's talk a little bit about like why is this happening. Well, why is this happening is because we have Kevin Wash Kevin Wash is coming in, and he's looking a little bit more hawkish than dovish, right? So we were expecting a lot of interest rate cuts this year because we were like, oh, Trump is gonna get a new puppet. He's just gonna follow every single move of what Trump is saying. He's just gonna follow everything, and he's gonna do everything he says. But actually, Kevin Wash is a little bit more known for being a little bit more a little bit more hawkish, right? He will follow the inflation, he will follow the dollar, and he will do interest rate cuts, but not necessarily as much as we expected. And that's what hit the market, and that's why we took a dump, because actually we're not gonna get interest rate cuts before June. That means now, from now on till May or April, we could just dump on gold. Like, seriously, we are expecting interest rate cuts, but we're not expecting interest rate cuts. But we're not. What the fuck? We're not in. We're not expecting an interest rate cut before June. So that's why the market is moving as it is, and that's why we can expect more downside on gold. But I'm still thinking about this as a relief rally where price can move up to the 0.382 level, or the 0.5, or the 0.618 level here at 5,341, right? So I see this as a relief rally where we can sell early on, or we can buy up to the top, and then we can sell it down from there. It's sweet, bro. Asia high is 93.8. Trump is trolling. It didn't sweep, no. This is not the Asia high, bro. This is the London high. This one. No, this is the London high as well. What do you mean Asian high? What? The Asian high is over here. 748. This was before. Here. 86.65. This one here is 12.24. 12.24 is the London low. Anyway, we are moving up here again. Really just consolidating at the moment. Asia low 71. No, London low is 4,864, guys. Right here, you can see it here. Okay, today we have Tuesday. This was at 7:50. Okay, 1 hour and 10 minutes before the market opened for London. 4,865.8. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. This is the Asia low. Before that, you had this one, which is at 7 in the morning, and then you have this one at 7 in the morning, and then you had this one at 6, and then if you want to go all the way down here, you know, this one would be 4,745. Oh, Asia high. Asia high. Yeah. Asia high. Yeah. This is the London high right here. 4,950. London high and New York high here. 4,950. Okay. So let's have a look here. You're still just consolidating. Got a good reaction here as well. 25. 30. Guess would be here. And this one high here. See? Let's see. Set this long? Yeah. I will do a long if we come up here. Look at this. We're still consolidating here. That's a good double. Good double one here. Moving down there. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. If I get this closure here, I might be taking a sell. Let's see. If it comes up again, I might take a buy. 1 hour buy, fair value gap 4,842 to 4,871 area. Can go upside. Silver is mad crazy, but requires more capital to trade. Yep. Not gonna lie, I made the most money scalping. What do you think about scalping? I'm not so much into scalping, but the market forces me into scalping when it looks like this, you know? It forces me. Okay, guys, let's see what happens. Gotta be patient with this one. Wait for the first 30 minutes of the New York session after the stock market open. We are kind of stuck in just consolidation here, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a short here. Very tight stop loss, just above here. Let me know entry. Stop loss above here. Take it down here. Okay, let me know entry. Wait, 10, 15, 50, maybe 4,900, 4,883. 84. 1,884. 45. Okay. Let me know entry, guys. Let me know your entry. I'm in at 16. All right, let's see what happens. in 910, 916, 15, 15 even. See? Hey bro, how are you? Hey Huge, I'm good man. If you want to get in for the sell, let me know. We're in here at 15 to 17. And we have stop loss about above 30, so 32. We have TP at 900. We're expecting price to come down and take out the London low or the Asia low before moving up, or for continuation sells down. But let's see here. If it doesn't respect it, then what I will do is I will take buys above. So see here. Lower time frame looks very, very bad here. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute looks very bullish. But then at the 15 you see here, you got like, you know, really nice flip here. So let's see. Still consolidating a little bit, but I am seeing some respect of these levels here. Let's see. And I think the close below 30 just shows that price wants to come down and sweep these lows. Going up. If it goes up, man, then we're gonna take the buys. See. Xauusd is not allowing me to take open positions. Really, James? I'm sorry to hear that, man. I only use one broker, and that's the broker that I've always been using here. There you go. That's the only broker I trust. And that's the only broker I actually can trade on as well. Doing like heavy news and stuff like that. Even Monday and Friday, I could still trade. There's a lot of spread, of course, but I could still trade. See? If you're first joining the stream now, then you can have a better entry. If this doesn't hold up, guys, then what we can do is we can take the buys. Because right now I see a sweep down here. But it doesn't happen, of course, then price wants to come up and take out New Year's session first. Enter again, you think? Gotta see if this is gonna hold. 5 minutes just closed below, but it's still respecting 30, so let's see. I don't think you should take a second layer, because why would you take the second layer? There's no fair value gap, there's no double confirmation here. There's just, you only have this. This is all you have, right? Have a 15-minute stop here, where price either had to break through and become bullish, or price has to respect and come down, right? So let's see. Yeah, Xauusd is crazy. Yeah. Let's see. For now, I keep it like this. Got some really good rejections to the downside, but we also got some really good rejections to the upside. And we can see here, we already took out the high, and then we came down again. So, yeah. Waiting for this. Yo!
Sierra 4580 has been subscribed 6 months.
What? Siren, 6 months, half a year. Brother, you've been here for half a year, man. Thank you so much for your love and support. It really means a lot to me. So thank you so much for coming and tuning in the live stream. Even though you might not take all my trades, well, you're here, you're supporting, you are listening to the music, you're enjoying the vibe with the others. I love it, man. So thank you so much for your love and support. Genuinely, like, it means a lot. If anybody subscribes, like, it always means a lot. So yeah, Siren, we are currently waiting for price to either come down here and take out these lows here and sweep out the London low or Asia low, to then either continue down or sweep it and come up again, or we are waiting for price to break 30 and then go in for a buy for 50, 70 and possibly 5,000 as well. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. We can see here that price is trying to break through here, but it's struggling a little bit. So I'm waiting here to see, are they gonna have more rejection candles here? Coming down, coming down. Let's see. So 15 is moving a little bit up here, guys. Let's see. If it starts going up, and we take out the 30, then what I will do is I will get in for some buys at 34. So 34 is right here. And then the same stop loss the other way around, right? But let's see. Let's see. Okay, guys, we came up to 30. Top 30 again. Right there. Let's see. We're gonna hit the stop loss. Oh, we didn't tap 30. We tapped 29.9. See? I think I will trail the stop loss to 34 instead, so we have the same stop loss as we have our entry. So if price comes up here on 34, guys, we're gonna hit the stop loss for the sell, but then we're entering for buys. Okay, so you have your buy stop here 34, you have your stop loss at 34. Okay, let's see. Buy stop at 34, guys. Buy stop at 34. I'm up to 30.3. Okay. Still in here. Do we have the rejection now? Or are we gonna settle on top of 30? If you just tuned in now, my name is Xauusd. I'm a professional trader and I am trading currently here for a sell on gold. Oh, I forgot. 2 seconds here. This is not financial advice. Trading can be very risky. Only risk what you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, whatever it is. All right. So we are in a sell right now, but we will enter a buy here. There will be a buy stop here at 34. 34, okay. Okay, still respecting here 30. Let's see if we can stay below 30 and come back into profit here. Still want it to come down and sweep the London low and Asia low if it wants to go up. Let's see. And you notice that gold is being more volatile, silver is being more volatile now, so you cannot have 100 pip stop loss anymore or 50 pip stop loss anymore. Guys, please use higher stop losses or deposit more money if you want to trade. Right now, it's really difficult to trade with very, very tight stop loss. What is your stop loss for your buy stop? Same thing as the entry for the sell. It's the same thing. So this is going to be the stop loss for the buy. This is going to be the stop loss for the sell, right? Okay, guys, we're starting to move a little bit. Thank you for the follow, Bado. I hope you're doing well. Okay, seems like we're coming a little bit down here now. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's remove the buy stop for now, guys. Let's see if we can come back down into profit here, okay? All right, we're coming back down to the entry. There we go. Got the rejection candle right there. 2 wicks. And then you have the wick fill liquidity. Coming down to the EMA here. We can break the low and continue down to this next EMA. You will get into profit, okay? All right. Asia low is 4,745. That'll be great if it can come down there, Abu. So let's see. Okay. All right. We're moving 30 pips here. Oh, come back again. Let's see. You guys okay? Are you guys okay? You didn't die?
Get shit on, brother.
I know my stop losses can be a little bit big, especially during these times. But it's really, really important to not have tight stop loss anymore because the market is moving 100 pips per candle now. It's crazy. Still in? Good, Mertin. People still in, guys? You still in? Yes? Whip it to push down. Yep, exactly. That's why we moved the stop loss a little bit. We didn't even hit the first stop loss, but you know how it is. Let's see. Almost there. Still in, still in. Good, Maxi. All right, starting to move here, guys. Let's do it. Let's go. Happens here.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you so much for the follow, Melo. Thank you so much, PNL. Thank you, guys. We're currently in a sell here from 1915 to 4,915 to 4,917. We came up to 30. We closed below 30. So we are waiting to see if this is it. If we're gonna move down from here, or if we are actually gonna start taking out 30 and then move into our buy stop. Our buy stop is 34. Okay. And see here, guys. Whipped it one more time. Okay. Think we're gonna start to move here? Yes. Okay, guys. Moving. 30 pips again. Okay, let's see. And came back up again. Very volatile. Just buy a smaller size. You can go more lot size. Exactly. Smaller lot size equals bigger stop loss. Yes. Let's see. Came back up again. Still holding 26 though. Still holding 26. Seems like there's a lot of tension here, guys. A lot of tension right here. See that? Buyers and sellers coming in here. Right there. So many wicks on 15 minutes. Yeah. Don't look at it, bro. You're just gonna be confused. If you look here, it looks really weird. If you look on the 3 minute, it looks like good resistance here, right? Still in. Good for Kerr. Guys, if the first time you're watching me, my name is Xauusd. I'm a professional trader. I've been trading for 15 years. Now, it's crazy how time is flying so fast. Like, it was 14 years not long ago. Now it's 15 years. And yeah, we're in 2026. And we have now Kevin Harsh as our new Fed, a member who's going to talk for the government and for the rest of the world. What is the US dollar going to do? And what is gold and silver going to do? Are we actually still in war? And do we have a lot of tension, a lot of geopolitical tension? So gold will go to 20,000, or are we actually seeing that, okay, the dollar is going to be more stable now? We're going to have interest rate cut later during this year, but for now, gold needs to chill a little bit, come down and tag some of that liquidity that is lying between 3,900 and 2,700, right? So here, guys, we are moving a little bit here. Got a little bit of 100 pips here. Again, price is so volatile. I couldn't even take it to take some partial here. It went too fast. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Price is so volatile. You cannot have TPs or stop losses for 100 pips or 150 pips anymore. You need to be careful and have like 200 pip stop loss or 300 pip stop loss, because price is moving so fast now. Price is moving so fast. So let's see here. Next time, guys, we take out this low here, I will trail the stop loss, okay? No matter what happens, we're gonna trail stop loss, okay? Once we take this bottom wick out, we're gonna trail the stop loss. Let's see. Nonsense. Yep. Did anybody get to take some of the profit? Do you think this is the new normal in terms of volatility? Yes, definitely, Johnny. Definitely. I cannot even ask people to do copy trading for $1,000 anymore. I need to ask them for $2,500 for USD and for $50 with cents. Before I did $10 with cents and I did $1,000 with USD. It's crazy because like one move of 300 pips is like a loss of $300. I have one guy who was on $900 on the copy trading. His count just boom, just wiped away because 3 candles, boom, done. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like, market is so volatile. Why is this happening? It's happening because of Trump, because of Kevin Wash, because of gold is trying to find itself. But it's not only gold, it's like Bitcoin, it's like everything, the market in general. We have a lot of stuff happening, right? We have one, Jerome Powell is done, right? Now we have Kevin Wash, okay? All right? I mean, Jerome Powell is here until March, right? But we get Kevin Wash. Kevin Wash is more hawkish than first intended, right? So since he is more hawkish, that means we will have interest rate cuts, but we do not get as many as we want. So we do not get 20k on gold straight away, right? We were expecting 10k, 20k on gold because so much tension in the world. Price is just, the market is just fucked up. Everybody's so scared, and you know, the dollar is gonna go to zero, right? It's not happening. The balance of the dollar is more stable now because of Kevin Wash, because he's more hawkish. Okay, so the way he's gonna do this is that he's not gonna have any interest rate cut before June. That is bearish for gold. Okay, that's bearish for gold. So what we have now is a relief rally. It's like price came down to 4,413 and then it's moving all the way up, back up to 5,000 again, and then from there we can sell it down, right? So even though price is moving up, it's a relief rally. It's not something that will sustain. Probably price is going to go to 5,000, 5,400. And then from there, we're going to go all the way back down, take out that 4,400 level, maybe go to 3,900 or 2,700, right? So that's it. Okay, guys, now price is moving up. Let's see here. Let's go back to our first initial buy stop. Let's see what happens. Here. So we have buy stop here, guys. Let's see. Be ready with your buy stop if in case we hit stop loss, okay? Oh, what happened here? Wait. Here we go. Traditional trade strats don't work as good anymore. New political dictate everything. Yes, exactly. The Fed, the news, the fundamental is gonna tell you where price is going. Not the technicals, not the sentiment of what the crowd wants or what they believe. Okay? So this is mostly mostly trading today. Trading today, guys, is FA. Fundamental analysis. What is happening in the world? What is Trump saying? If Trump says, hi, gold might skyrocket. But if he says, no, gold might go down. This is how it is. So the overall technical and the overall sentiment doesn't really apply anymore. Just how it is. Okay, guys, you can remove your buy stop again for now. Let's see if we can stay below 30. Had another wick here, right there. See that? Four-hour. Yeah. A new 4-hour. We did. Okay, so new 4-hour began here. There. We need to flip this 4-hour. It's time to go down. Yeah. Hopefully. Okay, guys, remember, no matter what, if we come down and take out the low, not this low here, this low here. If we take out this low here, we're gonna trail our stop loss and take profit, okay? See. Very volatile. Very much consolidation. Okay, guys, be ready with your buy stop if price comes up again. You ready? Yes, we're in here. Buy stop. Guys, buy stop activated. Buy stop activated. Stop loss hit on sell. Okay. In the buy for gold. Alright. Let me know. Are you in? Buy stop activated. Yep. Yep. See? See what happens. New 4-hour. So first we're gonna take it to this high. We're gonna see if we're gonna sweep it and then come down, or if we actually gonna start coming down from there, okay? If it's just gonna continue, you just let your trade roll, okay? You're gonna get back what you just lost, okay? So buy stop is here. Xauusd buy now is 34. Might have been spiked up to, let's say, 36, right? Something like that. Stop loss is gonna be down here below that level we just made, which is the 15 one. And then we're gonna take the TB here. Is the first TB is gonna be 50. 52. We're gonna see if it's gonna spike it. Next one is gonna be 85, which is gonna be where I think it's gonna top out if we're just gonna go down and sweep the Asia low. Okay. The next one is gonna be 5,010 because I want to see if we can come up and tap 5,000. And then we have, of course, the fundamental and the technical analysis that says like we have a relief that takes us up to about 5,300. Or 5,200, let's say 5,250, and from there we're gonna come down, right? So this is just in case we go there, okay? In case we go there, I'm not expecting it at all, but let's see what happens, okay? Let me know interest, guys. Let me know interest. Missed entry? You missed entry? No! Oh my god, really? Okay, guys, wait for this. Wait for this. Once we take out the high, we're gonna trail stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade, okay?
Get shit on,
How did you miss it, Xauusd? It was a buy stop. It was a buy stop. Hi Predator, nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Guys, do not copy this address or anything like that. We do not copy people's address in the chat. You're okay to stay here, bro. I'm not gonna ban you, but just don't send any addresses in the chat. People might, you know, copy it and think like, oh, I'm gonna get rich now. Yeah, exactly, not drunk. Exactly, that's why I'm saying. That's why I want to prevent people from losing money. And that's why we need to have the buy stop in case the sell doesn't work out. So let's see here. But it's not gonna change. Not Drunga. This is the new reality. This is the new gold, silver, the new market. You're gonna have bigger spread. You're gonna have bigger lot size. You're gonna have smaller lot size when you trade. You're gonna have bigger stop loss. You're gonna have bigger TP. You cannot do 100 pips or 50 pips or 40 pips or what these people are doing anymore. It just doesn't apply anymore. It doesn't work out anymore. So let's see here, guys. Moving up. Once we take out the high, if we sweep it, you take partial, okay? You take partial up here, and you trail your stop loss, okay? Okay? See? 5 closed above, 30 pushing, 1 hour pushing, 4 hour pushing, nice. See? This is why we didn't move stop loss yet. Price back again at 34. Let's see. Back at entry. This is why we haven't moved stop loss yet. Can be volatile, can go back and forward here again and again and again. But the good thing is that the 4 hour started pushing. We had a 3-minute closure, 5-minute closure, 15-minute closure here. And then we have a fair value gap here now. So if you use this fair value gap to move up, that is very, very nice. Okay. In now, Glimpse, you got in on a retest. Nice. Nice, guys. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. It doesn't get better than that. It doesn't get better than that. I'm in a sell at 40 from 47. You think it's gonna go down now at 47? You don't think it's gonna go up to 70 or 85 first? The spread is crazy. Yep, the spread is crazy. Indeed it is. Okay, 15-minute close bullish here, guys. Leaving a fair value gap here now. Let's see here if we can hold this fair value gap right there. Okay, above our entry. That's really nice. Really nice. I like it. See? We can hold this fair value gap. It'll be very, very nice. If we can sweep out the highs, New York highs here, 51, happen at 348. So this is your New York high. Came almost up to it. We didn't sweep it. Lost $15 euro on last trade. I'm sorry about that, man. Are you in this trade here now? You should get everything back if price moves up here and we trail our stop loss. Okay, let's see here. Can we take out the New York high, guys? Was too late to get in. It came back, bro. It like Glimpse also didn't get in, but he came back in again. No, you can still get in, Adam. You can still get in, but you have to take you have to trail your stop loss when we get up to New York high. You are 30 pips away from entry. Now you're 20 pips away from entry. You can still get in, my friend. I'm expecting this to sweep the New York high at least. Don't sweep out the New York high. Then we cannot enter for any sales if price comes back. Okay. I mean, at 50, your spread is 50. What? Oh my god! I got scared for a second. Holy shit! Duel, get in again. Duel, get in again here. Duel, you can get in again here. We are like 20 pips away. We can start to move soon, so we can start hitting those highs. That would be very nice. I'm almost thinking about like 200 pip stop loss is too little. No, it's crazy. Like, it's just... Like, my spread right now, guys, right? Like, if I enter a trade here... Let's see here, let's see. Let me just check here. So, my spread right now is little. But before, it was like almost 0.8. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. What do you think about S-Pins files and how the market would move it? Yeah, more drama, more bad stuff happening in the world, more rumors, more tension will just drive gold up, of course. But I still see that we should take more profit. I still see we should take more profit at like 3,900 or 2,700. So I think this is a relief rally. I think this is gonna dump like around 5,100 to 5,400. But I'm not just gonna enter sales this time for no reason. I'm gonna wait for proper confirmation. Now 1 hour came up. Back down to 27. Crazy. Just moves back and forward. Guys, this is just consolidating more. 15-hour position is here. We cannot take it lower than that. We don't have anything lower than that. We have the EMA here. Be careful, guys. We just touched the EMA here. Let's see. The price has been moving up here, then moving down, moving up, moving down, even after New York session. Yeah, Johnny. Yep. Yeah, Johnny. Let's see. Okay, coming down here. Let's see. At 18 now. And down here again. Let's see. Did we hit stop loss? 15.3. 15.4. Guys, are you still in? You still in? Hey, Shong. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the subscribe. Nice to see you on live stream. I'm still in, guys. I'm still in. We didn't hit stop loss. 15 is the stop loss. Did you hit your stop loss? I'm out in. I'm still in as well. Let's see. It hit below 15? No, it did not. It hit 15.3. Maybe on Xness. FTMO. Oh, okay, you're sitting on funded. Yeah, okay. 14.8. Okay. Let's see here. The price is just consolidating. No real move yet. Yeah, Johnny, I'm gonna enter here again. Guys, I'm gonna add one more. Same stop loss. This is just 23 to 15. So it's 70 pips. Okay. If you're out of this first trade, you can enter for this one. I think price is just consolidating, making more accumulation for the upper move. Let's see. So I have two trades. I have two trades here at 22. Same stop loss. Okay. Same stop loss. 15. Let's see. Price comes down again. So much consolidation. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just consolidation, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. I don't know how we can enter this. We haven't swept the New York high. We haven't swept the low yet. Lost 60 and 2 trades, man. Bro, look at the market. My friend, look at the market. Please, look at the market. I'm not a scalper. I don't do scalping. I want breakouts. Okay? Hit my daily loss limit. Gonna chill now. I'm gonna try again. Let's see. Not really anything I can take here now. Still on the sell from 15, just layered in a bit. Yeah. But we didn't take out the New York high. Shim. We created maybe some kind of double top. I wanted to sell, I wanted to buy, but I don't have direction. I just have this. Even on the 1 hour, look at this. Sweep the high, you sweep the low. Manipulation. Gonna wait a bit. See how the 30-minute closes.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Libidus Trader, nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're trying to wait for a move here. There's not really anything going on here. It's just consolidating. It looks like price has swept some highs here. And then market is moving down. But then again, we didn't sweep the New York high. So nothing is clear yet. In the 15, tops are being formed. Yeah, but isn't low also being formed? I mean, rejection. Like, what do you, like, when people are like, I see that this is a sell because there is some rejection here. Yeah, but have you seen the rejection for the buys? Like, I bought here because I thought we could start building up here and take out 5,000. Then I sold here because I saw that, okay, we are rejecting from here and we're coming down here to these lows here. But neither happened. We just swept here, and just consolidating. Orbit, you trading with us on your account or only giving us entry? I'm trading on my account. I also lost money, my friend. But it looks like it's accumulating to go up. I mean, really looks like that. Is respecting the trend line of the low since 4,400. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up, but I mean, where would you want to put your stop loss? We tried to put it at 15, right? Got taken out down to 7. So yeah, we can enter for long, but where you want to put your stop loss? I think the break after consolidation will be insane. Yeah, me too. Me too. I want to enter for long, but I don't know where to put the stop loss because we just got swept here as well. So it would be nice for me to see, okay, we come up here, we sweep here, and we start going down. Great, we can enter for sell. Or we come up here, we close on the 15 minute, we have an order block of fair value gap, and then we continue up. We can enter for buy, right? My idea was to buy above 30 before. Let's see. 15 now closed bearish here. 30 minutes started to make something here at least. See if this can hold. Oh, I hate scalping. I really hate scalping, guys. Triple top though. It looks like it wants to come down and sweep those Asia lows. Yeah. Guys, I will try the short one more time here. Put the stop loss above here. Okay, so I'm gonna enter once this 3 minute has formed and we come down here. There we go. Okay, wait for this to come down and close. Once it closes bearish, then I will enter. Okay, wait. I need a 3 minute closure and then I need price to come down here. If it starts bouncing, we can get in for this, for the buys. I'm not in any trades. Not in any trades. Wait. Not in any trades. Not in any trades. Okay, are we flipping this? Okay, 3 minute just closed bearish there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, is that once this is gonna be taken out, I'm gonna sell here. Okay, this is gonna be my last attempt for the sell. If we bounce up here, I'm gonna get in for the buys, because it looks like we are rejecting 3 times on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour we're also showing a lot of rejection. We're also showing a lot of buying rejection. But it seemed like we came up here, created a double top, and now we're pushing down below. So if we come down here to 13, below 14, okay, then I'm gonna enter for sell, okay? So sell stop gonna be 13. If we start going up now, then I'm not gonna take it, okay? Okay, so it's below my line here, okay? Below these rejection here, okay? Okay, stop loss is going to be up at that 30 level again, because it keeps, you know, pushing up here, but we need to put our stop loss somewhere. Okay. Okay, guys. You ready?
Get shit on,
Okay.
brother.
You ready? If this closes below here, and you can, and it pops in, then your sell stop is going to be activated. Okay? Okay, let's see. I don't do scalping, guys. If you want to take partial on the way, if you want to close your trades, if you want to get out of the market, it's up to you. If it comes down, it takes me in. I'm gonna take it all the way unless I see that it comes up again. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's see. Did it activate you? Did it activate you? Did it activate you? Yes, in? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Came down below my line. Didn't have a closure yet. Okay, guys, here we go. Go, thank you for the follow. We are currently in a sell. Let me know your entry. Let me know entry. We are in the sell now. We are in the sell now, okay? Alright. We're in the sell. Here we go. Let's see if we can come down and sweep those lows. My first level would be here at 85. Right here. We can push down. Let's see. I'm pushing up again. We're having more consolidation now, or what? Are we gonna move? Let me know. Are you guys in this trade? In this trade? Let me know. Three-minute close below. No more manipulation now, please. In at 17. Okay. Let's see. 19 again. More manipulation. We don't get a move now, guys. I cannot trade this. It's just consolidation. We're not getting a proper move. But we did close below. We closed here 7. So we should have a follow through to the EMA here. If we respect here, if we keep respecting here. See? You can stay below my line. The 5 minutes. Okay, 17 again. Break this low right here. Consolidation. In with small sense size. HGHT wants me to press buttons. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. $100 lost. Try with the $10,000, bro. Lost $10,000. Let's see. Let's see. Gotta stay below here. Gotta respect the 5 minute. Gotta start moving down to these EMAs. Break the lows. Yeah, I lost 10k when it went to all-time high. Yeah. See. 5 minutes still looking okay. Still a lot of rejection candles. So now the thing that the guy was asking, it was saying before, oh, it starts to have rejection to its upside. Yeah, but look at this. Also start to have rejection to the downside. Just all manipulation. Nothing is really moving right now. But if you can stay below here, that 3 minute closure here was really, really nice. If you can just stay below here, respect the 20 level, 26 level here. Start coming down. It's basically the same entry we had before 15 and 17. It's just 20 pips, 40 pips different. F2, where's the top wick there? That's the top wick right there. I have it 30. I think you have to have same stop loss as before to make it safe. 32. Crazy. Now 3 minutes starts to move up a little bit, but 5 minutes still looking here. See, are we coming down below, or are we gonna respect it and move up again? 19. Oh, but you lost 10k on these two trades? No, I lost 10k today, Merton. Lost 10k today. But I'm gonna get it back again if we can come down to the Asia low. But when you lose, like, you need to understand this, Merton. When you lose some money on your account, doesn't mean you lost. Like, if you lose, that means you're losing your account, right? You're losing your account, or if you don't have any money left or you can't trade anymore, you can always get 10k back. Like, getting 10k back is not the problem. The problem is consistently being profit at the end of the month. That's the hard part. I can lose 10k today, 20k today, and then get back 20k, 40k tomorrow. Like, doesn't matter to me. Like, what I lose today, what I lose tomorrow, it doesn't really matter. But when price is just moving like this, I don't really take anything, right? It's like, it's the scalper paradise. People love to scalp, stuff like that. I don't like to scalp. I don't want to scalp. I want to have the big moves. I want to have breakouts, you know, breakouts to the downside, breakouts to the upside. What we thought was a breakout to the downside became just more manipulation. What we thought was a breakout to the upside, what became more manipulation. And then we're going to see here now, are we going to have Another manipulation here, or are we actually gonna move down now? No breakouts today, only break even. Yeah. If we don't get breakouts today, well, we're gonna lose, right? Because I don't trade the scalp. Like, we could have taken, you know, we were down here at, what was it, 4? We went from here to here. You could have taken profits here, 100 pips, right? But I was talking to you guys, so I didn't even see it because it went so fast. Okay, now at 20. Here, if we can respect this. Anybody in this trade? Or are you just like, oh yeah, it's gonna go to all-time high, blah, 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 blah. Like, if you come above 30 again, you can look for buys, but yeah, for me, there's no move yet. I'm in. Nice. Hello, boss. Hey, Xauusd. Nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. Okay, 22. See? We are in sales, guys. We're in sales. We tried to buy before. Got hit. We hit stop loss. Okay, 23. Now we're moving up again. One more rejection. One more rejection here. Beautiful shirt. Thank you. Thank you, man. Okay, guys, be careful now. Okay, 15-minute close bearish right there. If you can respect this, start going down. I've lost more than half of my account in 2 loss. Really? Petty. Then you are trading too much lot size. Remember to look at my stop losses. Remember to look how big the trade is actually gonna be. Like if it's too big, then lower your lot size, right? I don't take 10 pips or 20 pips or 40 pips or something like that. Not in these market conditions. No, no, no. Not while we have Trump and Kevin Walsh and all that. So what we did before 2020 was we had 10 to 40 pips, right? Then after 2020, we got 40 to 100 pips. And what we have now is 100 to 300 pips. Okay? That's how it is now. Like, so you need to manage your risk with this. Okay? But you also have to remember this. If you go back, sorry, there were consequences. If you go back to before 2020, yes, you would have a profit of, you have a stop loss of 10 pips to 40 pips, but you also need to think about, you will also have a profit from 10 to 40 pips. You would not move a lot. One day on gold, guys, that could be 10 to 40 pips. Sorry, what am I saying? 40 to 100 pips. That was trading back then. Gold was moving 100 pips per day. That's it. Today, we move 1,500 pips, 2,000 pips, 1,000 pips per session. Right? Price went from here, 4,800 to 4,900. That's 1,000 pips. One session from London to New York. Now let's see what New York is gonna do. No idea yet, but let's see. Look at this. No volume to go down, but then again, no volume to go up. $25 again. Look at that. Took stop losses here, took stop losses here, took stop losses here, took stop losses here. Right. Free. I'm gonna go back to the original plan, guys. Gonna have my buy stop here. And that's my last trade if we hit stop loss in this one. If you don't want it, it's up to you. It's up to you. I am not gonna risk not getting in the move because I get caught in this consolidation stuff. If price goes all the way down now and takes London low and Asia low, perfect. If it doesn't and it keeps moving up, and this time it's gonna go up, because next time it comes up here, it should take the high out. If it comes up again now, it should take the high out. But if it respects and comes down, great. Great. I'm up 90 pips. You bought or what? Do you agree that if Dow Jones go down, gold is up? Depends. Let's see. Dow Jones. Where did I put the DJ30? Where did I put DJ30? There. DJ30. Dow Jones is also consolidating. We tried to take out the high here. So now if gold is moving up, sorry, if Dow Jones is moving up, gold should go down. But you see, gold goes up, right? So back at 30, guys. Let's see. Are we going to hit the stop loss? If we hit the stop loss, we have our buy stop here ready. Okay. See what happens. 5 again, not being respected. It's not a market for people who have small accounts. Not a market for people with small accounts. Tapped again here. Let's see if we get another rejection candle here, but we keep moving up. This is the 15 right here. What happened last time we had this 15? We had a top wick and then we moved down. Let's see. And now moving down again. Are you guys frustrated yet? Beautiful, right? Isn't it? Now below 30 again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna remove the buy stop for now. And I will bring it back as soon as we come up above 30 again. Buying high and selling low on the 5 minute doesn't look good, bro. Where you want to buy? Where you want to sell, bro? You cannot buy up here, and you cannot sell down here. You want to sell, you have to sell here or here. You want to buy, you have to buy here or here. Like, you need to buy either above 30 or you need to sell below 30. 30 is your anchor. That's where price has been holding. You see? 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 26, 25, 24, 20, like, just below 30 and above 30. You don't have to take my trades, Johnny. But I'm telling you, once price moves, I'm not gonna miss it. I gave you a good trade earlier today at a pre-New York session in VIP. Let's see. Have buy stop ready, guys, in case we take out again. Stop loss of the buy stop, same as before, 15. Starts to move now. Let's see. We are at 31.3. Stop loss is 32, guys. Let's see. Alright. Now we're gonna tap stop loss. Gonna put it like before, guys. 34, which is the buy stop. Okay. Okay, let's see. Right. Gotta get in here for buy stop. Okay. Buy stop in here. Here. Okay, you in the trade, guys? You in the trade? Buy stop activated. Let's see if we can move and take out the top this time. Maybe 15 again. And TV1 is gonna again be... I have to put higher TP now because we lost 2 trades. So I'm gonna put this... For you to get recovery for this one, it would be 80. 80, I think. Yeah. Let's see. If price comes down now again, then I'm not gonna trade anymore, guys. I'm just gonna observe the market, because then it's just scalping. Just scalper's market. Okay. We haven't taken out the New York high. Gold short. No, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. I'm buying. I was in a short before. Didn't work out. Price came up, took our stop loss here. Price came down, took our stop loss here. It's just a scalper's market. Just like you can buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But we are not having breakouts. So I'm trying one more time here. Doesn't work out. I am out. And I'm just gonna take the trades myself once we have a breakout. What's the trade record today? We have this is the fourth trade. This is the fourth trade. We hit 3 stop losses on the first 3 trades so far. So I need to get really, really high up for the TP for us to recover this. But I'm sure if we get that breakout, we're gonna recover it. Yeah. See? We're not even losing, lol. We are learning right now. What we learned, it's a scalper market. Just sit on your hands. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you, Riders. Thank you. Thank you, man. I'm trying to explain this to people that, you know, you want to come here on Twitch stream, you want to get the buys, you want to get the sells, you want to get into trades. We have had many successful streams where we just have been killing the market because, you know, we have been all-time highs on gold and we just want to get in for buys, or we have had like reversals where we're just going to be selling. But this is like, you know, you're a scalper, amazing paradise if you can scalp this. I surely can't. I think it's nonsense. I think it's just noise. We've been accumulating now. And I think this is enough for us to come up and break the high. But when we were up here last time, we did not break the high. We didn't even sweep the high. So I couldn't get in for sells, right? And now we came down, but we didn't break the low. So we cannot even get in for sells, right? So I'm like, I'm getting in for buys now because we keep staying above 30. And I'm have my buy stop here. And if I take it to 5,100, 4,500, I'm going to be recovered. I'm in a sell now, 33, bro. Okay, good luck with that, man. We cannot go to all-time high, no. But we can go to 5,100 or 5,400. Today, all losers trade? Yes, correct, Flash. All losers trades today. Because it's a scalper's market. I'm not a scalper. I'm a breakout trader. And I am a accumulation trader. And a long-term trader. I do swing trades and I do long-term trading. I don't do scalps. The 1 hour candle would take the London high now. Hopefully. Let's see. But you mean the London high? You mean the New York high, right? New York high. London high has already been taken now. Okay, guys. Let me know if you're in the trade. Who's in the trade? We're in. Let's go. Let's first take out the New York high. Once you take out the New York high, we're going to see, is this a sweep? And are we going to come down? Or is this a continuation buy up to 5,100? If it is, you get the breakout for today. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So if you tap 51, move stop loss to risk free. Yes, if you tap 51, you move stop loss to risk free. So this is the New York high, guys. 50. I want to see either this being swept or continuation, okay? Let's see.
Imagine me tall in a tight dress, showing off things. Lay you double tap. Picture my good side, both in life and angles, with a little edit.
I entered the trade earlier, 19, and TP'd out at your buy stop and entered again, targeting the New York high. Okay, cool. Cool. If you're not in yet, you can still get in. We haven't tapped into the New York high. Let's see. Oh my god, Obits, the market is making me crazy. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I think we're gonna take out the New York high now. If not, this is just another consolidation and then I'm done. Then I'm done. Hope we recover. Yep. Me too. Okay, guys, we're approaching New York high.
I could keep you posted. Picture perfect lives, imaginary worlds, heavy cloud of minds. I think I'll pass on that.
Okay. And we get a 5-minute closure above here at 37. If we can get a 5-minute closure above 37, then we are at least moving. Play the music, maybe we need that. Hey, Sao, thank you so much for the follow. Nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. We are in a buy stop here from 34, so now we're in a buy here, so you can still get in. You're 50 pips like late. It doesn't really matter in these market conditions. It's just crazy. So better to get in than not getting in, my opinion. Okay, here we go. Let's go, come on. Come on, 51. Here we go. The DXY? Yep, DXY is moving down. But Nasdaq moving down. Yep. Do you only trade gold? Yes, I only trade gold, man. I only trade gold on Twitch live streams. I might get in for Bitcoin once Bitcoin comes down to 60k or 50k.
Get shit on, brother.
Okay, we got the 5-minute closure above the 37, which is nice. Hey, Tease, thank you so much for the follow. Nice in live stream. We are in a buy right now on gold, 34. Seeing here if we can take it up to New York high. When do you reckon the market will stop being volatile? When Trump is either not president anymore or dead. Like... You got another retest? See? Like again. Here we got a 15-minute top wick again. Got a lot of wicks to the downside here. We got a lot of wicks to the upside, but we got less wicks to the upside than we have to the downside. So I think there is some good support now Some good support being formed here. Now the 5 closed above here, so let's see. Yeah, it's just consolidating, guys. Again, tap the same place right there. You had it here, you had it here, and you have it here again. We can't get our New York high. Can't get anything. Crazy. If this moves down to 15 now again, then I'm done. I'm just gonna trade on my own. Because I can't risk this for you guys. You lose for 4 trades. I'm not a scalper, okay? This is not my market condition. See? See? So I can talk about fundamentally what's good for gold right now. We got another shutdown, right? That means US shutdown probably means that gold will go up. We still got tension, right? And then we got geopolitical drama, right? And then we have Kevin Wash talking about interest rate cuts, right? So that's what's good for gold. What's not good for gold is that the interest rate cut will most likely be in June. And then also, there are some agreements happening with Trump, with some wars. So maybe some wars will end. That's also not so good for gold, right? So all this, other than accumulation, it is also saying that maybe we're not going to move that much because price is trying to figure out what to do after we had that pump on USD coming all the way up to 97.7, right? But hopefully there is enough drama or enough geopolitical tension for us to move up to at least 5,100 so we can get our recovery. And then from there we can look to see if we can get some sales down to a new low, right? Because I don't think this is going to go back up to all-time high. I don't think so. Okay, guys, my camera. Give me a second. Did it really just stop? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, but in DXY will go down, gold is up. Again, banking system soon. Yeah, DXY is down, so gold should go up. Yes, correct. Not always, but most of the time, yeah. Okay, guys. Should start to see New York high now. This wants to move. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Crazy how slow it goes. Let's go. Yeah. How big lot size do you use, Echo? For the small trades, first I use low lot size to see how market is moving and testing out. And then when I see market starts to move, then I use higher lot size. Which broker do you use? I use this broker. Okay, guys, we're starting to move here. All right, we're starting to move. Once you come up to 51, the New York high, you're gonna trail your stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade. Okay. All right. Okay. You guys still in the trade? I hope you're doing well. Hey, Stark. Nice day in live stream. Hope you're doing well, man. Okay, let's see here, guys. We're almost there. 50 pips away. 50 pips away, baby. Xauusd from Facebook. Let's go. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Sorry, my contact lens. And guys, if you think this market is just bullshit, and that is really difficult for you to trade because you got work, you're struggling, you have family, and there is so much going on in your life. You don't have the time to trade yourself or anything like that. I can do trading for you. We have copy trading where it doesn't cost anything. The only thing we're doing is profit split. Okay, you get I get 39.5%, you get 60.5%. Okay. So I will just be trading for you on your account, on behalf of your account. If you are interested in the cents account, which is going to be very, very low risk, then it's only $50, which means you can get 50,000 cents, right? But if you have more capital and you really want to take this serious, you can join a USD account. Then it's $2,500, but this can also be included with your bonus. So you can have a 100% bonus, so you only have to do $1,000 or $1,500, as long as the total amount is $2,500. So I can actually trade in these conditions. Before we did $100 and we did $500, we did $1,000, but market now moves 1,000 pips, 1,500 pips per session. So it's just not safe anymore. So we need proper amount of capital in order to trade it. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Just reach out to my team. We also have, of course, bootcamp. We also have VIP session. There we go, guys. Here, trail your stop loss to just above entry for a risk-free trade right there, and take some partial. Boom. Let's see if we can tap 80. Here we go, guys. All right. Finally, moving here. 300 pips, guys. Let's go. There we go. Take some more partial here. 300 plus pips. There we go. Okay. Risk free. Everybody good in the everybody good? Let's go.
Let's go!
Alright guys, in order for you to be fully recovered, we need to come all the way up here to TP1, okay? Once you come all the way up here, you should be fully recovered. Why? Because the first trade we lost was 150 pips, and the second one we lost was 140 pips, and the last one we lost was 190 pips. So in order for me to recover you, you need at least 300 or 400 pips, right? So let's see here if we can recover by coming up here. Let me know if you have recovered once we come up here. Okay. And yes, I am taking the trades, guys. I am taking the trades with you. You can see here, this is for copy trading. See here. Oh. See here. Fuck, this is... Alright. So let's see if we can tap 80, guys. Let's see if we can tap 80. Got out of all of my trades. Nice, baby. I hope you got some profit. Price came up to 60 here. Let's see if we can get a 5-minute bullish closure or 15-minute bullish closure. Price is coming a little bit back here again. That's okay. If this is the sweep, then we know what to do. Then we know we have to sell it, right? Let's see. We need to see if this is a bullish closure above and continuation for 5,100, or is this just a sweep? Now we finally swept the New York high. So let's see if it's a sweep or if it's actually a true breakout. Okay. Waiting for the 5-minute closure and the 15-minute closure above the recent high. Okay. Got profit, but still down minus 61 USD. That's because you got out of all your trades. You should have kept some trades. We haven't even hit TB1 yet. But I'm glad you took some profit, my friend. Glad you took some profit. I'm still waiting. What are you waiting for, my friend? Abu. So, everybody should be risk-free. Okay. I'm still waiting for TB1. Ah, okay. I thought like, I'm not trading. I'm waiting. What if we don't know if we come back? What are you waiting for, man? I would love to recover the 2K and bring the account back to 100K. That'll be amazing, Abu. You can tap 80. I think you will be recovered. TB2 is going to be 5,100. So then you're definitely going to be recovered, right? Anybody in the trade still with me? Let me know. Still, nice, Solid Castro. TB2 would be amazing. Yeah, absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. See here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Come on, baby.
Get shit on, brother.
Get shit on, brother. Kelbas. How are you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. I'm in. NC. Let's go. Come on, guys. So again, the trade 1 that we lost, the trade 2, and the trade 3 should all be recovered with this, okay? You can come up, you can smash TB1, TB2, you should be recovered. You should be in profit. But if you're sitting and waiting for a retest down here, or you're sitting and waiting for this to flip berries, and then it just continues going up to 5,300, well, then you missed it, right? You missed the train. You missed the ship. Let's see here. Did we get a 5-minute closure? We did get a 5-minute closure. Can we get a 15-minute bullish closure above here? You don't think it could go more up than 5,300? No, I think we need to retest 4,400, bro. This is a relief rally. I think this is a relief rally, my friend. Okay, guys, we're almost at TB1. Almost at TB1 here. Yeah, I think we need a retest at 4,400 after we come up to 5,100 to 5,400. It's called a relief rally. It could go to all-time high, of course, but I think this is a relief rally. You want to get as many buyers in now that they see that, oh, gold is going up again. So you get all these buyers in and then, boom, gonna take the stop loss one more time. We're so close here, guys. We come up to 73. We're 70 pips away. We were 70 pips away from TP1. We need a 15-minute bullish closure here, leaving a fair rally gap. But yeah, guys, if you wanna talk to my team about VIP, if you wanna talk to them about copy trading or bootcamp or academy here, reach out to my team right here. If you want to join our Discord or join our Telegram, you can check it out here. Boom. Come on, let's see if we can hit TP1. $5,300 today and then short sounds crazy. No, I didn't say today. I'm saying that the overall, I think we're gonna go to 5,000 to 5,400 and then we're gonna come down to 4,400 again. And if we sweep this, we probably gonna see 3,900 or 2,700. This would be your bottom for then having interest rate cut in June for Kevin Harsh to take gold to 20k. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's happening today. I don't know what's gonna happen today, bro. We might come up to 80 and we're just gonna dump down, or we're gonna come all the way up to 5,100 and we're gonna dump down there, or we're slowly gonna move our way up to 5,400. I don't think we're gonna see a new all-time high before we have interest rate cut in June. Okay. 20k, really? Yes. After 6k and 70. I'll try again, Abu. This is what I'm seeing in the future for gold. But of course, we need to test 6k, 7k, 8k. We need to get out of, we need to tap 10k, come back down to 5k, and then continue up from there. But I think once we come down after 5,400, then I think we have a bottom. We're not going to come back there anymore. But I think we need to come down and take some of that liquidity at 5,000, at 4,000, at 3,000, at 2,000, you know? Okay, I closed the trade. Close the trade here, Merlin. Why? We're almost there, guys. We are 80 pips away. 50 pips away. All right, guys, we are 30 pips away. Come on, come on.
It's so big!
Let's go.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Let's go. 10 pips away. 10 pips away. Come on, guys. No, I don't think 20k this year, Apple. I think 10k this year. Hey there, hey boss. There we go, guys. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. There we go. Boom. Boom. All right, guys.
Let's go!
All right, guys. That's it. We got TB1. Now our TB2 will be 5,100. If it happens on this stream, well, we can just trail our stop loss while we go up. As we go up. Now I want you to trail your stop loss to make sure you are absolutely risk-free, because I know that some of you probably had a later entry than me or some of the others. So just make sure that you are absolutely risk-free here. We just don't want to interfere with the fair value gap. So let's see here, the fair value gap stops here. Let's say we could come down here. There's the EMA. So 37, okay? 37, all right? 37. Trail your stop loss to 37. So you're absolutely for spread, for everything, totally risk-free. Now my next level here would be 5,000, of course. Right here, 5,000, and then our target will be 5,100. If we take out 5,100, my next target will be 5,400, and then we should come down again. Okay, I don't expect us to go down to I don't expect us to go to all-time high, okay? But I expect us to get up there. Loving it, guys. Mr. Easy XM. Did you fully recover today? Yep, I did. Did you fully recover? Can we enter now? Adam, no, you should have entered here at 36. I'm just here. No, you took the losing trades and then you didn't take the winning trade. Oh. You see, guys, sometimes how difficult it is to be me. Oh my god. I know I lost 60 euro. Yes, but this was your recovery trade. This would have gotten all your money back, because we literally just got like 500 pips. Guys, this is 500 plus pips. Right? From 30 to 80. 500 pips. A little bit lower if you entered at 36. This would be 740 pips. Sorry, 460 pips, right? 440 to 460 pips, right? Including spread, right? This would literally be a recovery. Okay, so now let's see the 15. We did close above. Okay, we did close above. So now we're expecting a retest of the new high, which is going to be 50, right? So what I want you to do here is, if you want to get in for a second trade, okay? I'm saying a second trade. You want to get in for a second trade. I don't know if it's happening. I don't know if it's going to happen. If you want to get in for a second trade, you need to wait for the fair value gap. We tested here between 57 and 45. And then you could enter for a second long, okay? Right? With stop loss just below here. But I don't want you to turn this winning trade into a losing trade, because you're going to close your buy and you're going to get in for sales and you're going to be stuck in this consolidation, everything. The 15-minute did close above. We are bullish. 30-minute also closed above. So I'm not expecting us to retest all the way down here, but I'm expecting us to, if we get in for a second trade, to retest the new high, right? At 4,950. Okay? So you're in this winning trade here. This one is just moving. Okay, this one is just running. I'm gonna put this here. Let this run in the background. And if you come back down here and retest here, this would be a retest for a new entry, okay? This would be 4,950. Right? For a second trade, okay? But I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm saying that it might happen. What happens? But yeah, again, guys, if this is too much for you, if this is really, really frustrating and you know, you don't know what to do and you can't trade it yourself, let me trade it for you. But you need, you know, if you're on Sense account, you need $50. If you're on USD account, you need $2,500 with or without bonus, right? So, like, it is a volatile situation. It is a difficult market to trade in, and I understand. And like when we're scalping, like, it's so scary, because if you have tight stop loss, like, you're most likely gonna hit your stop loss. You see, even me who had like a big stop loss here today, lost 3 trades just while like trying to, you know, have a safe stop loss, right? But you cannot do it. Like, my new stop loss now is 1,000 pips, right? 1,500 pips, right? But my TP is like 5,000 pips, 10,000 pips, right? So, but I can't do that on Twitch, of course, because we have people who are new here. Okay. Okay. Buy stop somewhere if pass so high or risky. Yeah, I feel like this would be the safer trade. I feel like this would be the safer trade if you come down. Of course, you can always put a buy stop here, but it could be a second top wick and then you could come down from there again. I will, like, if you really want to take a trade, I would wait for the retest. I would wait for the retest, okay? Okay. I was working. Adam, how about copy trading then? How about copy trading? Bird, you okay? You okay? What level are your buy areas? That was my level here. Right here. Okay, let's see here. 76. Short at 5,000 would be bad. I would wait 5,100 and then see what happens, bro. 5,000, 5,050, 5,100. Have a signal group. Okay. You can check out with my team. Check out with my team and see what we can do for you. We also have VIP, bro. We took a trade on VIP today. We bought down here. I think it was pre-New York session. Was it? Where was it? 14. Yeah, it was here. We took this buy here. We took this buy here. Oh yeah, a little bit of profit. Okay, guys, 5,000 is approaching. See? It's actually better for you if more people add to the copy trading. No, it's not, because I have to hear on people's shit if I lose, right? If I lose, I get nothing. If I win, we split the profit. We do profit split. Profit split. I get 39.5% and they get 60.5%. So let's say I make $100 on copy trading. They get $60.5 and I get $39.5. If I win, it's really good for both of us, right? But if I lose, it's also worse for both of us, because I lose some chunk of my account and they also lose some chunk of their account. And I need to get that back again before I can start getting profit again. So that's just how it is. Okay, guys, approaching 5,000. Once we hit 5,000, I want you to take some more partial, okay? Okay. Yeah, I think I figured out how to do my stop loss. What have you figured out, Stale? What have you figured out? Okay, guys, we're almost moving here. 700 pips. You should be fully recovered. Is everybody fully recovered now? Everybody fully recovered who took the losses before? The loss was about 300 pips. Now what you get is 700 pips. Okay? Should be absolutely fully recovered now. Okay? How to fully recover? We took partial along the way. Don't take too much partial, man. Only take 20%. Even if you just took a little bit of partial, bro, 700 pips is much bigger than 300 pips. Okay? Daddy Johnson.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise.
Okay, let's see here, guys, if we can tap 5,000. If not, we might go down again. Let's see. Not sure if we're gonna have more trades today. It depends on if we're gonna have a retest here, or if we're gonna continue up here.
Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a
Happens.
surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems and more. I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast.
We're just gonna smack through 5,000, or we're gonna have a retest here first. 5 closed bullish and closed up here, guys. Okay, so this is the new 5, okay? 5 at 93. 93. 15 pushing here. Who is still in the trade? Who is still in the trade? I just met you today and I'm really liking what I see. Thank you for all of this. I will contact your team soon. Alright, Free Mile, I'm happy to hear from you. You can just reach out to them and let them know what you are interested in. Not much besides figuring out how to efficiently calculate my risk and taking partials efficiently. Alright. You closed your trade right now? Tis, did you recover? Did you recover? I will let this be open, guys. Just give me 2 seconds. Wait. Oh, I was muted. Okay. My wife made me bubble tea. Boba tea. Boba tea. So if you haven't been to Taiwan or you know like a good bubble tea shop, well, bubble tea is really, really good for people who like this kind of sweetness. So. My wife made her own homemade boba tea. Looks delicious, yeah. Let's see. Zeta boy, Obit, you're the best candle reader out there. Thank you, Zeta. Thank you. I won't say I'm the best out there. I do have many mistakes and I do have many flaws, and I will lose as well. But at the end of the day, I think if you are more in profit at the end of the month rather than being more in loss, then yeah, you know, then you will make it in the market, right? Here's the retest, guys. Let's see if this is it. Let's have a look here. Okay, 15-minute just closed bullish, and now you have the 15-minute fair value gap right here. I would like to see this being filled, and then we can be activated here for the buy limit. If this doesn't happen, well, it's gonna continue up, right? I think you should be good with your follow through here. So now we will have the power to do good trades. Yes, if we start rallying again and just, you know, go to all-time high, of course we can just get in for buys. We just take buys on gold. We don't have to worry about anything, but if price is doing what I think it's gonna do, then this is what happened, right? You have price rallying and go to all-time highs, and it keeps going. More and more people are, you know, standing in queue to buy gold. Eventually people will take profit. Price then comes down and doesn't hit the low, but it comes so much down that people start doubting in gold. But then price starts moving up again, and you can see it moves up, and it doesn't come all the way up to the all-time high, but it comes up here. So people start buying gold again, and then what happens is price comes down and it will take out all these buyers and all their stop losses right here. And that's when I think we're gonna have the rally for all-time highs again. So in my this is just my, maybe I'm crazy, right? But this is just my take on this. Okay, We went from 3,000, right? And we came up here to 5,600, correct? Then we came down here to 4,400, correct? And now here I'm talking about 5,100 to 5,400. Okay, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it's just gonna go to all-time high now, and it's just gonna rally forever, and that's just how it is. But if I'm correct with this, I would like to see 3,000 being swept, and then something like this, right? It can be 2,700 to 3,900, but it could also be 3,000, right? Something like that. And then after that, that's when we're gonna hit June. It's where interest rates gonna start, and you know you're gonna see gold rally again, and you're gonna see it at all-time highs. So you will see it this winter be around 6,000 to 7,000, and then after that, next year you're gonna see gold at 10,000 to 20k. That's my take on it. That's my take on it, right? Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. That this is what the market is doing. You also see it on silver. Silver went up here. Let me look. Let me show you. Silver went up here back in 1982. Silver went up here in 2012. And now here again, silver went up here in 2026. But what happened every single time? We had a rally, a retest, a relief rally, and then we came down here. And that's when we started going up again, right? So if this is happening, well, you had your rally, your retest, your relief rally, and then coming down again. You see what I mean? You understand what I mean, guys? So I don't see gold go to all-time high at the moment. I just don't see it. And I don't see silver go to all-time high at the moment. I see this go far enough up to attract as many buyers as possible. And then I see it come down and retest 4,400. And no, I don't have 10 lots on what is called? What do you say? Which one was it? You said 2,700. No, I don't. I don't have 10 lots. I have 3 lots at 3,000. And then I have 5 lots at 2,000. Okay. Okay, guys, we are down in the fair value gap now. Let's see. We can get the retest. We tapped into the fair value gap right here. Let's see here if we can come down and tap 50, guys. Then we will be in for the trade. Okay. With stop loss below here. Previous BE is going to be a stop loss. Okay. Let's see. This is for people who are not in the trade. If you're already in this trade, you don't have to take this one. This is for people who want to retest, who wants a second trade, okay? All right. You don't have to take this trade. Okay. Well, I was just checking silver. Let's see, guys. Okay, we're here now in the 50-minute fair value gap. See if we can retest the previous high right here. 49.50. If I have cash, I sell. Wait selling until 5,100 flash. There's a reason why you lost your cast as well, right? I have buy limit set. Nice, Adam. Let's see. Okay, guys, here we go. We're almost there. Price at 56 now. 53. Let's see. We tap into, wait, let me see, 5 minutes. Yep. Okay, be ready here, guys. Almost there. Buy now. Almost there, baby. Almost there. Almost there. 50. 50 would be the buy. Okay, 5 minutes just closed bearish here. What lot size do you use? For copy trading, 0.01 and 0.02. For my own trading, depend on what I'm seeing. Here, in all these losses here, I use 0.05. But then when we finally broke out here, I used the 0.1. And for my buy limits down at 3,000 and 2,700, I'm using 1 lot size, 2 lot size, 3 lot size, etc. Okay, we tapped 51. Well, let's see here. We can tap it. We're so close to our buy limit right here, 49. Sorry, at 50. Yeah, we spread 49, I guess. It never hit 50. What do you mean it never? We like, it's been 1 minute since it was here. Doesn't have to hit it now. It can also wait for the hourly in 4 minutes and then come down and sweep this. I think you need to be patient, my friend. See? I got in at 53. Great, great, brother. Great, great. If this 5 closes bullish, I'm gonna take a buy here as well. Let's see. Need a wick here, something like that. Did we tap the new high? Not yet. No, still here. Still here. 50, 50.9. Something like that. Wait for the 5 minute closure. Wait and see how the 5 closes, guys.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Spurano, nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for the follow. Spurano, we took a buy at 34. We hit TP1 at 5,080. And we were waiting for TP2 at 5,100. We had a little bit of a retest from the previous high, we can see here. So we are getting in for a new buy here once we retest the previous high around 50. So we were very close. Nice and girl, thank you for the follow. So guys, just be patient here, okay? We might get it, we might not get it. Wait 40. Why would I wait 40? That's not the previous high. The previous high is here at 51. You mean for this family gap here? At 41? Not sure it's gonna take it. Not sure it's gonna take it, my friend. What else are you looking at? Nothing. Okay, guys. We got 1 more minute left until the hourly closure. If the hourly closure closes above the high, well, then that's your indication, right? Almost there. Yep, very close. Johnny, did you check this buy and take it up here? Did you get a buy for the recovery before? Okay, here we go. New hourly closure. New hourly start. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. We get the bottom wick. Do we get a bottom wick? Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, we tapped. There we go. We're in. We're in, guys. Let me know your entry. Let me know your entry. All right. We're in the trade. Let's see what happens. We tapped into both favorable gaps. Now let's see if we can start building up or if we're gonna come down into this 15-minute favorable gap right here. But we tapped the previous high, that's for sure. So let's see. 50, nice. 50 exactly, that's good, guys. That's really good, really good. All right, we're moving here, 60 pips. Right on. $48. Horse dark. Sneaky bastard, huh? Let's see, guys. $54. $54, nice and girl. That so you didn't put a buy limit, you just bought. Let's go. When move stop loss, Merton, we're gonna trail stop loss once we get to 54. Sorry, 67. That's our TB1. Right here, you see this? This 3-minute and 5-minute favorable gap right here. If you come up and tap it, and then we reject and come down, we don't want to lose the trade, right? So we wait for this, see how it's reacting, then we can trail a stop loss. Okay, guys, we're moving 80 pips. Let's get hype. All right, guys, almost TP1 here, almost TP1. We are 60 pips away from TP1. You see, Flash, if you waited for 40, you would have missed your trade. We came down to 47, my friend. Why? Because this is the high. This is the next high. This is the next high. You see where they line up? Exactly at 47. I put my buy limit at 50 just to make sure I get in case we tap 50 and goes up again. Usually, psychology numbers like 50 also you know, reacts. So let's see. Oh, let's get it. See, we can come up here. Haven't tapped it yet. Okay, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, baby. Anybody in the trade with me? Other than Iron Man, Stark. Still in, let's go. In, Solid Castro. Yeah, Adam, in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Keep stop loss, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, keep stop loss, my friend. Wait for the fair value gap. Once it taps, then we can trail our stop loss. Because I think it's gonna jump back and forward here a little bit. What happens? Let's see what happens, my friend. My friend! Let's see what happens, huh?
You be the first to know what's buried deep begins to grow.
I just wanted to get some more fellas in here. Let's see. You can see here we're accumulating here, accumulating for another high. Tapping previous high again. Here's a 15-minute fabric gap right here, guys, at 41. Let's see. So this is the retest if we want to get in for all-time highs again, right? Not all-time highs, sorry, for 5,100. So we are here now, so we're just waiting to see how much accumulation we're gonna get here. Will it stop touch loss again, I think? No, I don't necessarily think that. I think we have a top here, and a top here, and a top here. You got the breakout, and now you need to retest at the top. That's what I think. But if price wants to go all the way down and sweep all this liquidity out, then I can't do anything, right? I am already in the buy. We already filled the entire 15-minute fabric gap. Usually that's enough on the previous high. Because people get in for buys up here, right? And then, you know, price comes down, retest the high, and then it continues up. Let's see how much liquidity we need. If we need to come down into this fabric gap here. For me, it's okay. For me, it's okay. It went to 44. See? 44. This is the previous high right there. Let's see. Okay, so we're pretty safe at this. I don't know if you're safe, no. You're in, you tap the 50-minute value gap right there. Right there. Let's see how price reacts. Tap 42. Let's see. It's been in the both value gaps now. Okay. So it tapped 40. I think that should be enough. That's the 50-minute value gap. Yeah. This first one filled and the second one entered. So we're in this 50-minute value gap right now. Let's see. Let's see. If we come down and we check out 37 here, then we hit our BE for the other trade. And then we're also going to hit the stop loss for this trade here. Let's see. 39. 39, 38. Gonna get more liquidity. Or is that it? No, I think that's it. 38. I will trail the stop loss to 35 just to be safe, guys. Just to be safe, I'll trail it to 35, okay? 35 just below here. Then it should be safe. That's the fair value gap right there. We tapped into the second fair value gap. Should be fine. Then it's 150 pip stop loss. See. Okay, where do we go? We tapped 37.5. So we are out of this first trade. Unfortunately, we tapped BE on that one. So we're out of that one. So if you were in this trade, you're no longer in that trade, sadly. But now you have a second trade here. Okay. Let's see. So we're out of the first trade, guys. We're out of the first trade. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Minutes. Okay, 36. 35.5. Are you gonna hit the stop loss? Okay, you hit the stop loss. Alright.
Get shit on, brother.
Alright, guys. I'm out. I'm out. So, price came up. Hit almost 5,000. And then it came down to where we previously broke out. If price comes down and take out this low now, then we're just gonna continue down, and we are no longer gonna look up. But I think this is a good retest for taking buys again. But if it comes down and takes out all these lows here, of course it's not gonna continue up. Then it's it. That's it. That's it. That's your flip. That's the one we were talking about 5,000, 5,100, and then you're probably gonna come down. You're gonna go for that low. As we talked about, like the Asia low, London low, all that. But let's see how price reacts. Let's see how price reacts. Came all the way down to 23. Let's see. A lot of liquidity there. Okay, retested. So 23, yes. Moving up again. 37, 33. We're back to where we entered earlier. All my trades are closed. Yeah, all my trades are closed. So I will see if I have to enter for a new buy for this high here, or if I'm gonna take a sell. If we stay above 30, I'm still gonna take buys, because this is clearly a retest. You see here the hourly came up, closed above, bullish. You tapped here. You didn't break 20. You didn't break 15. You didn't break any of that. You're coming up again now. Yeah, I'm just gonna enter for buy again, guys. See, let's wait for this 5. Close above 30. Comes down here again. So price went all the way down to 23. Damn, it's a lot of liquidity. Alright guys, waiting for this. 3 minute. Then I'm gonna enter again. Take it up. Okay. Let's see. See here. Is this close as bullish? That's good liquidity. You see that? So I still think it's respecting. I still think this is respecting. It came up to 4,993. Came all the way down, swept 50. Came down, swept 30 as well. But it's still staying above 20. It's still staying above this structure that was printed here. So we could just buy it up again once we have a closure. But we need to have a good closure here. We need to have a 5 minute. I don't think 3 minute would be enough though. Because it could just be a wick fill and then it comes down again. Okay.
Get shit on, brother.
Alright, let's see. I think we'll go up now. Too much grab of liquidity out. Alright. Okay, guys, I will enter here again. I will enter here again. I'm entering here again. Let me know your entry. I'm entering again. I think this is the liquidity. I agree with you. I agree with you, baby. I agree with you. I think it's gonna go up again as well. But the problem is to set the stop loss because market is moving so much. The market is moving so much, but it's clearly a retest. And we did retest the high. We did retest the previous high, but the stop the stop loss is just it's a problem, right? Because there's so much liquidity being taken. So yeah, guys, I'm in here. I guess we have to put the stop loss below this wick. So let's put it here. Let's see 75. 75 I think will be a good retest. Okay. 5,050. And then of course the TB3 5,150. Okay. All right. But yeah, the stop loss is a problem, guys. It's really a problem. It's so difficult to take proper trades for like small accounts. So let's see here. Right. Let me know entry. Can we buy here? Is this a retest? Yes, I bought again. Seems like a wake out for me. Yes. Duel, if you have a problem with my trading, then don't take my trades, bro. This is clearly a buy. This is clearly a buy, bro. This is just retest. It's just liquidity. If you're worried about your stop loss, then don't trade, man. Like, this is how it is. The market is different now than what it was a few years back. You can't have a stop loss of 20 pips or 50 pips or 100 pips. Even I had a stop loss of 150 pips. It was not enough. Price came down to 20. This is clearly a buy. It's clearly a buy, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, you know, feel sorry because you lost a trade because you hit stop loss, because the idea is clearly good. You had the high here. You retested the previous low. Even the flash said like, okay, we can buy at 40. It didn't come down. It didn't come down to only 40. It came all the way down to 20. So everybody would have been wrong. It's clearly a buy, but the question is just where to put stop loss. That's the thing. My VIP, we still have stop loss down here, so we haven't hit stop loss. We're moving up again now. That's why it's so difficult, guys. It's so difficult to trade nowadays because stop loss is so freaking important, but they're also so annoying because it's like, where do they put stop loss? Right? Where do they put stop loss? Okay. Really a retest? Yep, exactly. Okay, guys. We're almost at TB1. 75 is TB1. Okay. I want you to take some partial here. Take some partial for 55. Partial here. Okay. All right. TB1 is here. It's 75. Okay. So I can tell you guys, the stop loss for VIP was here at 10. You can ask people who is in the VIP. The stop loss is 10, so we didn't have the stop loss. But I just can't do that with you guys here on Twitch because some of you are totally new and you don't understand how the market works and you don't understand that there's so much liquidity right now. I cannot take 50 pips or 40 pips stop loss anymore. I just see the idea. I know it's a buy. I know that we're retesting after we create this high because the hourly closed above. You closed up above 50, right? So you are in a range of 50 to 100. So from 4,950 to 5,000. If you come down and hit a stop loss, it's because that stop loss is too tight. But still, it was 150 pip stop loss. I don't know what to tell you, man. Okay? I don't want to sit and excuse for these things anymore because it's so simple. Put a higher stop loss. Take a lower lot. Alright. How can I take partial? If you have more than 0.01 at your lot size, you can close partial of that. You can close partial of that. I was in at 4,942. I took partial. Nice. Nice, Adam. Okay, 5 minutes just closed above. Waiting for 75 here. I'm gonna trail stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free. Risk-free. Okay. Hope you took partial. Okay. So completely risk-free now. Let's see if we can hit 75. Do I check out 0.01? If you only have 0.01, then you should take some profit, right? But you cannot close partially with 0.01. But it's difficult, Adam, because if you have a low account, you need to do 0.01. But with 0.01, you cannot take partial. That's the thing. You had 0.02. Well, then you cannot do anything else. Then you have done what you should do. Okay? Then you have done what you should do. Absolutely. Done what you should do. Will it goes to 5,000? I think so. If it can hold the previous high. See? Now the previous high has become support. You see that? Previous high becomes support now. And we entered like below this support. Hopefully it can start going up now. But it's difficult to say because price is still, you know, chilling here. Yeah, bro, I already TP'd at 65. It is because you're scalping, bro. I don't scalp. I don't scalp, man. Either I take this to 5,100 or I just hit BE. That's it. That's it, man. I hate scalping. I don't like it. See? My stop loss, baby, is here at the 10. But for the Twitch stream, I have to move trail stop loss at BE. And I have to make sure that, you know, people are safe. So I have to put stop loss, like, yeah. It is what it is. It's just not a market for people with small accounts anymore. It isn't. Also, I told people that do not enter this trade if you're already in here from 34, 37, right? People were in at 37. They took it all the way up here. They clearly recovered, and they're still arguing about like that'll take a 7-second trade. It's hilarious. People sometimes, like, I don't understand it. Like, yes, we hit a stop loss because we are using a tight stop loss. I closed this trade on 63. All right. I'm just risk-free and partial. Nice setup. Let's see. Let's take this to 5,000. 5,100. Got a retest. And move. Let's see. We are risk-free, man. We are risk-free. So, cannot do anything. Ding. 15 looks good though. If it can close here and move up, that'll be nice. 6 minutes. See if this 30 is gonna close bullish. I also moved my stop loss to 4,910. Really huge. Let's go. Let's fly. Hopefully. We'll see. It came good. Back again, right? It retested here. Let me see here from here to here. Yeah, it did come down. It even tapped the 0.618 level. Look at this. Look at this, guys. 60.80 right there. 0.618. Oh, yeah. Where are you from? I am from Scandinavia, my friend. So you can take a guess. Either Sweden, Norway, or Denmark. All right. NT. No, not NT. Sorry, baby. Where are you planning to re-entry, bro? I'm already in here at 44. I'm not gonna do anything else now. I'm not gonna do anything else now. You can guess all you want, guys. You can guess all you want, but I'm not gonna tell you. Like, it's too private. It's too private. Come on, baby. Can we move it up? Can we move it up? Tap the EMA, right? Yeah, we did. We did tap the EMA and we're holding up the EMA right now. We just need to hold this level. We need to hold above the previous high. Got a good sweep here. Have you ever been to Hamburg? Hamburg, bro. I've been to Hamburg, yes. Many years ago. Can we hold it? Can we hold it? I don't want more PEs. I just want to take profit on top and give me 5%. Are we going to hold the 50 level or are we going to come down again and sweep like 47, 45, something like that? 15 is about to flip. Let's see. 3 minute is down here. This is your EMA at 48. Please let us stay in the trade. Okay. Can we stay in the trade, please? Tap the MA again. Stay in the trade. Yeah, 48 got tapped. EMA got tapped. Let's see. It's been 2 or 3 years already since I saw you in the Marvin Favres podcast. Oh yeah, that's a long time ago actually. We're holding the MA so far. Don't hit my B, bro. I'm so tired of this shit. Fucking scalpers market. Still holding. Tap 46, guys. Didn't tap 45. Still holding. What do you think about using prop firm with small capital? I mean, you shouldn't use like small capital if you're doing prop firms. You should use big capital with big prop firms, and you should only do it if you have small capital. But I guess what you mean. What you mean is like if you don't have any capital, then what about prop firms? Yes, if you don't have any capital to do a live account, yes, prop firms is the way to go. Of course. We tap 46 again. Still in. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Didn't take our PE. EMA still holding up. Let's see if we can come up above 53 again. Come on, can we move up again? 30 just closed. Did close bearish, but still holding the 1 hour. It looks like, guys, we're still holding the highs. We're still holding the highs. Ultimately, we are still holding the highs. This is the lowest high here at 49. And we're still holding it. I just started out. What would be your tip to not get worked up in situations like this? This seems like it wants to go down. Why does it seem like it wants to go down, my friend? Can you explain to me? It seems like it wants to go down because it came up and then it went down? Or does it seem like it wants to go up because it came up and then retesting the high? It doesn't seem like it wants to go down, my friend. It seems like it came up with a higher high, then came down and touched the previous high to make a higher low. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Regardless of people screaming about their stop losses being taken here, you can just enter again. Nothing has happened. There's no danger. There's nothing to worry about. People just have too tight stop losses. And if they take a trade of mine and they have tight stop loss, they're not in VIP and they just take a trade here on Twitch and they lose, it is what it is. They will lose. I'm still buying to get up to 5,000 because I believe this is going to go to 5,100 or 5,400. And that's it. End of story. If people don't like my trades, if they don't want to take it, then don't take my trades. If you're on VIP, you had stop loss at 4,910. You wouldn't have hit stop loss. Okay? We came all the way down to 20, but we didn't hit stop loss. So I don't want to hear about people who is like sick and tired of hitting their stop losses. The market is way different now. It moves so many pips. We moved from 4,994 down to 4,920. That's 700 pips, guys. 700 pips. You cannot have a stop loss of 150 pips if you want to buy the high. Okay? Yes, it was nice call, bro. Unlucky for stop loss happened. Yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm just buying again. Not gonna cry over stop loss. Back at 69.60. What is that? You mean 49.60? Okay, there we go. But NT, if you want to have a really good advice, don't listen to what anybody is telling you. Like, follow your own analysis and trust in your analysis. If you have an A++ setup and people are saying like it's gonna go down, still stay in your trade. If you're saying it's gonna go down and then people saying it's gonna go up, stay in your trade, right? Don't listen to what anybody is telling you. These people coming in here saying like, I'm an amateur, I can't trade, I can't this and that. No, I'm not trading this freaking scalping. I don't care about this freaking scalping. I trade breakouts and I trade retest and I trade reversals, okay? And if people are sick and tired of hitting stop loss here where they can literally say it goes from 47 down to 85, then up to 50, then down to 94, then up to 48, then down to 909. It's just a scalper's paradise, but I don't scalp. So if I hit stop losses here, I'm sorry, but that's how it is. My bias is that we are bullish. We are retesting and accumulating to go to 5,100. So that's going to be my trade. And if I hit stop losses, I'm just going to enter again. Because clearly there was liquidity being taken here. Like, it is what it is. And what do I have to say to these people? Well, remember,
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker.
I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only love.
right? So like, you know, they can suck my fat. Let's see, guys. Now we are creating a really nice 5-minute level here. Right there on top of the highs. Look at that. Price can hold here and accumulate or more buying. Be very nice. But this 15 has to flip and we need to close higher up, okay? Let's see. Okay, guys, we're starting to moving up here. Once we tap 75, I will trail the stop loss, okay? Anybody still in the trade with me? Let's go, guys. In. Yes, let's go. See if we can hit 75. If we're gonna stay here and look pretty. Still in. Good, Adam. Whip it. I'm out when your VIP is out. Let's go. Ah, shoot, you're not in VIP, man. That's a little bit. I shouldn't have told you that, right? Now you are taking their stuff, their secrets, their hacks. Right, guys. Can we flip it? 15 minutes starts to flip a little bit here, guys. Let's see. We hit 75. For how many time are you trading? For how many time? What do you mean how many time? I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on Twitch, and then before New York session, I trade pre-New York session with my VIP, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I give signals Monday to Friday. And then I have copy trading where I trade whenever I want. For USD account, you need $2,500 with or without bonus. And then for Sense account, if you don't have that kind of funds, you can just do simply $50, right? So that's it. That's it. And we have VIP, Academy, and we have Bootcamp. You can reach out to my team. Not intentionally, just tired of those small stop loss. Yeah, exactly, huge. I follow you. I follow you. I follow you. Okay, guys, it seems like we're about to flip here. Can we get it? Come on. If we're not going out up soon, then I'm calling the FBI and telling you know, I'm gonna arrest the candles.
FBI, open up!
Come on, gold. Don't be a fucking. Tapped again, 46. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tap 46 again, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, Goldie. Goldie. Oh, from how many years I've been trading, Calvert? Oh, sorry. I've been trading for 15 years. 15 years. Okay, guys, we hit BE right there. I guess I'm done for the day on Twitch. I'm gonna keep in. I'm gonna stay in with VIP. And yeah, guys, I will be back tomorrow with more trading. Hopefully, you will see this start to turn and take out this high and continue up to 5,100. If you're still in these trades here, let me know. But yeah, I will not take more buys for now. I'm just waiting for this to be taken out. Once we get up to 5,100 to 5,400, then I will start selling down. Okay. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and reach out to my team if you have any more questions, or if you want to join have VIP or anything like that, or if you want copy trading, if you think this is too much for you. Okay, I'll see you. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. All right.
Seen anybody do the things you do before. Oh, they say, move for me, move for me, move for me.